The next feature that we will introduce is accounting. This feature at first glance may look intimidating and overwhelming. However, it is designed with the layout of a typical checkbook, with the exception of allowing unlimited accounts, which makes it like a multiple checkbooks tool. When you start this feature, no particular accounts details will be shown in the beginning. Instead, you will always have a quick view of all of your accounts and their balances. For the purpose of this video tutorial, we have already made some mock-up accounts with fictitious balances. To create an account, you simply use the Add button and enter the name of your choice for the account. Please keep in mind that in order for any new accounts to be saved, you must enter at least one transaction, like an initial deposit or withdrawal, in order to designate a certain balance. Now we will go ahead and walk you through the basic features of withdrawing, depositing, and transferring funds. If you would like to see the details of a particular account, simply select it from the drop-down menu in the upper left corner of the screen. We will now make a deposit by selecting the account that we would like to deposit funds in, selecting the deposit option, indicating who or which entity this deposit is coming from, creating a new or indicating an existing category, and entering the amount to be deposited. Keep in mind there are a few optional features that you may or may not want to use depending on the given transaction, such as the memo field that can be used for simple notes regarding the transaction, the check number field that can be used for a check number, if applicable, and the clear checkbox that can be used to designate whether a certain transaction has already cleared in the bank or other financial institution or not. When you are finished entering the information regarding the transaction, simply click the Submit button. We will now make a withdrawal by selecting the account that we would like to withdraw funds from, or making sure that it is already selected, selecting the withdrawal option, indicating who or which entity this withdrawal is benefiting or paying to, creating a new or indicating an existing category, and entering the amount to be withdrawn. Again, keep in mind that you can also use the optional features Memo, Check Number, and Cleared for withdrawal transaction as well. When you are finished entering the information regarding the transaction, simply click the Submit button. We will now make a transfer from one account to another by selecting any of the involved accounts if they are not already selected, selecting the transfer option indicating which account the funds are coming or deducting from, which account they are going or depositing to, indicating who or which entity this transfer is benefiting or paying to, creating a new or indicating an existing category, and entering the amount to be transferred. Again, keep in mind that you can also use the optional features Memo, Check Number, and Cleared for a transfer transaction as well. When you are finished entering the information regarding the transaction, simply click the Submit button.